Okay, well, once again, we are playing around with the old Zeiss Calypso Assistant. This is, of course, the chat GPT AI that I've created. Been training it for a while now, and it's got some pretty good capabilities. This, of course, exists within my uh, chat GPT Teams environment that I manage and maintain. And yeah, well, let's put it to the old test. So I've been uh, playing with some different models, but I found this one, which is it's from the NIST website. So first off, where is it? Well, maybe this one doesn't have a logo. Some of the other models had the actual NIST logo on them. But anyways, this particular one has a bunch of PMI built in. So there it is. Even has some notes, main dimensions for all dimension features from the model, Y 14, and of course, model itself. So I've been playing around, like I said, with the old Chat GPT, and let's go ahead and see what it can do with this CAD model. Here's the actual NIST model that we're playing with. I'll just drop it down here and say, I am writing a Calypso program to measure this part. Please review the file and advise me how. There we go. Oh man, wonderful typing. Not too bad. And there we go. See what it does. So again, we're using Chat GPT here, and this is the old Zeiss Calypso Assistant, but we're using the GPT-5 model right now. Now, I originally trained this using the 4.0 model, so we'll see what it does. And this is not using the advanced models or the super deep thinking ones. So this is just the regular one. Okay, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, okay. So it's just giving me general advice here. Oh, and it is writing a plan, so it is using the canvas or whatever it is. Okay, that's fine. Let's close this. And now, see, now, please read the PMI, the PMI that is in my model. Okay, I can take the PMM for your model and generate the exact Calypso feature list. And yes, there we go. Take the PMI. It says it's going to do 90% of the program before I even start. So take the PMI model from the model and generate the exact Calypso feature list with, there we go, telling it to do what it just said it can do. Sometimes it's best not to be vague with the AI. Again, there it is. It's thinking a little bit about it, see what it can come up with, and providing options for PMI, setting up the template. Oh, here we go. No, really wanted to use Canva here. So let's see. Okay, well, it's seeming right. H1, H2. Position H1. I don't know. I'm not super convinced that it's reading my model. I think we need to play with this one. I'll check in with you later. I'm in. Oh, wait, I can't directly out in this chat. Calypso itself can. Oh, I see. So it wants me to extract my characteristics from Calypso. I don't know that that's really